putar mau kendali tapi tak bisa kalau Rhosy datang ambil alih bikin tak bakar menjadi satu. Coba mari kalau kau mau adu nyali sumpah beta lari dari kota mana punya mari coba dengerin ini tuan tanah dari kota para datang kasih darah badara masih kentara bukan itu. Habis keputusan dalam muka ini sudah yang
What? Wow. I mean, they have talent. I mean, Indonesian people, they have good talent in a lot of things, guys. I really enjoy this music, guys. Wow. Wow.
So without further ado, let's get up into this one, Buddha fam.
Oh, that's a nice intro. Going to listen for the first time Indonesian rap, guys.
You're a monster.
Rap phobia. Oh, okay, rap monster, baby.
Rap phobia, bikin kau gila, rima flow gempa, Indonesia, tak suka dislike, hey kau simak baik, baru aja fight, hey, di sini dong tak suka di sana dong baik, bikin kau gila, you're a monster.
Indonesia.
Rap phobia, bikin kau gila, rima flow gempa, Indonesia, tak suka dislike, hey kau simak baik, baru aja fight, hey, di sini dong tak suka di sana dong baik, tipu cerita sejarah kita kan terada sama.
He got flow. Hey, this big go hard. His flow go hard too. I don't know what he's saying, but let me tell you something, baby. That shit go hard on the paint, just make you wanna dance, homie.
Hey, di sini dong tersuka di sana dong cerita setara kita kan terada sama bilang kau kapan jumpa rima flow rap masih kau cek salah buang kata kau dapat lacak lama sasu tunggu setelah kau salah jalur dapat kapak kasih goodbye kau warplay di kelas Y tak bisa tongkat beta kalau rap ele putus say.
Wait a minute, okay, damn, it's a Indonesian version of Godzilla by Eminem. No way, really? That is incredible. Okay, he has a talent, guys, just like to completely change the lyrics from English to Indonesian. It's like sing them that fast. Come on, you need some talent. He's a rapper. Damn it. Oh my god. He stole my idea, but I am about to do it the other way around. Oh, I'm not gonna say anything else. Okay, shutting my mouth and continuing. I love this song, guys, so I'm gonna vibe. Slim say get it.
Turun di jalanan biar tahu siapa yang handal. Kapal batu jangan kau coba-coba pancing rapping di segi jangan kau bikin samudara mandidi kalau setara.
Bro, come on, Indonesian Eminem. What? Come on, I just like that flow like Ceng Dasa.
Cek motherfucking rap, satu Indo siapa danger. Turun di jalanan biar tahu siapa yang handal. Kapal batu jangan kau coba-coba pancing rapping di segi jangan kau bikin samudara mandidi kalau setara kau pergi daripada nanti marah. Saya bikin kau sampai mulu babusa mau paksa kuca bakuca mending kau sudah dan sudah stop sampai situ kau sudah cukup.
I'm right here, Buddha Gang, chilling right here with my man Rap Monster right here, baby, you know what I'm saying? With the copy, mana copy. My Indonesian babies right here, they know about Eminem too, baby, look at that. They pay homage, they pay respect to Eminem. You get me? Come on, baby. That's mad love to you, Indonesia. Mad love, baby.
Jangan paksa tanggapi, sibuk urus basindir Rhosy. Ada sumpah yang kau pancing salah lagi. Itu kembali baku distrik berbagai. Saya ini kalau tak bakar pica. Berapa hebat kau jago pica. Bikin kau bona talinya pica. Paling mudah buat saya kasih pica. Jadi jangan kau paksa tes. Terus suka saya panggil face to face.
Okay, I love this song, guys, but I really need to check if he translated at least a little bit close to the Godzilla lyrics. I really want to just like check. Let's see. Let's hope there is a translation. Come on, please. We have BTS with Monster as well. Rap Monster. Nah, guys, I want Rhosy Snap. Song lyrics not found. Guys, I guess I have to trust you and tell me if these lyrics are kind of similar to Godzilla. Let's keep going. Damn it. But I'm vibing so hard.
coba play, ini bukan sekedar hashtag sapu nama gempar di seputar Indo, salam gangster rapping monster.
Then they turn away, I turn into the monster.
Cek pada rap, satu Indo siapa danger. Turun di jalanan biar tahu siapa yang handle. Kepala batu jangan kau coba-coba salah.
Okay, I want to admit, I wasn't expecting very much. I wasn't expecting very much at all. But this, dude, I'm telling you, man. Okay, I see. What was his name? Rhosy Snap. Okay, all right, I see you. Let's go.
Kata di strike, supas tidak respect. Sakunya lapis di track, kau turun main di back. Segera kau play dan cermati, simak ini dan mengerti. Silakan boleh tanggapi, tapi jangan kau asal berbagi. Pastikan jago boleh, kalau trada jangan kore. Sapu lagu on the way, bikin tabakar dong trada yang susah mo, baku taruh gas jatuh di tempo. Siapa yang duluan dapat finish tau, tarapan dan gue legenda bodoh. Rapikan musik setara mereka yang tersuka sabar main. Silakan pergi jauh kalau tara mau mati. Ini predator kau tahu, bukan lagu galau. Wanita pengaruh hati saki baru curhat terus taruh nama naik dalam hip hop kau tara bajingan.
Bro, this guy doesn't breathe, bro. Literally, look. I just run that back a little bit because look how much he's going without even a single breath.
Tarapan dan gue legenda bodoh. Rapikan musik setara mereka yang tersuka sabar main. Silakan.
This is incredible, guys. Anybody has already coffee, guys?
Pergi jauh kalau tara mau mati dalam flow yang sama.
My coffee,
Bahwa
guys.
ini predator kau tahu, bukan lagu galau. Wanita pengaruh hati saki baru curhat terus taruh nama naik jitu. Tapi dalam hip hop kau tara bajingan. Bukan nomor satu jauh dari api go. Sebelum kita bakar tau, kamu jangan paksa tau. Perlu banyak hati go. Saksikan yang su tersaji, ini bukan sok pamer taji. Ada baiknya seakan berbagi, biar kau jangan tertahu diri. Makan dan minum sesudah, temui lirik yang mudah. Langsung project jika sudah, kasih tahu mereka yang tersuka.
Hey. What did you just say? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What did you just say here on YouTube?
Cari baku taruh kendali.
Wait, I need to listen that again. I think that's a joke.
Tapi tara bisa kalau Rhosy datang ambil alih, bikin tabakar menyala satu ide. Coba mari kalau kau mau nyali sumpah beta tara lari dari kota mana.
Do not say that on YouTube.
Do not say that on YouTube, ha?
Punya mari coba dengerin itu tanah dari kota pala datang kasih darah badara masih kentara bukan editin suara jelas kamtara setara dalam aliran. Cari baku taruh kendali tapi tara bisa kalau Rhosy datang ambil alih, bikin tabakar menyala satu ide. Coba mari kalau kau mau nyali sumpah beta tara lari dari kota mana. Punya mari coba dengerin itu tanah dari kota pala datang kasih darah badara masih kentara bukan editin suara jelas kamtara setara dalam aliran kopa.
Hey, I can't understand anything.
Tara bisa dapat kalau cuma jago komentar dan kosakata bikin diri gengsi. Tapi cuma lagu cinta baku tipe dan pemirsa makan buju kopu apa beteratan sapura talabis kopu guru sapa tujuh muka beteratan habis kopu zona dalam muka ini sudah yang kemarin bikin heboh. Kalau soal baku gara-gara terada kata setara kau cuma jago bicara banyak. Kau tuh masih perlu baca buku jangan kau banyak. Holy kau tuh mengkerabar mau paksa balik kunci tapi lidah belum bisa kejar beta sampai hosa tara bisa dapat kalau cuma jago komentar dan bikin diri gengsi. Tapi cuma lagu cinta baku tipe dan pemirsa makan buju kopu apa beteratan sapura talabis kopu guru sapa tujuh muka beteratan udah bicara habis kopu zona dalam muka ini sudah yang kemarin bikin heboh. Kalau soal baku gara-gara
Oh my god, oh my days, bro. That's crazy. Oh.
bikin diri gengsi tapi cuma lagu cinta baku tipe dan pemirsa makan buju kopu apa beteratan sapura talabis kopu guru sapa tujuh muka beteratan udah bicara habis kopu zona dalam muka ini sudah yang kemarin bikin heboh. Kalau soal baku gara-gara terada kata setara kau cuma jago bicara banyak saudara kentar kau tuh masih perlu baca buku jangan kau banjing kepala batu ini sudah bocah yang dulu kau tuh kasih jatuh sekarang sapu giliran pantai kau dalam aliran sebut inilah sindiran keras buat kau from LK.
Are you kidding me? No. What you just say? Seriously, what you just say here on YouTube? I need to listen that again, guys. What? Hey, come on. Don't say that on YouTube, hey. Do not say that on YouTube.
Nigga from LK.
Come. Wow. I mean, they have talent. I mean, Indonesian people, they have good talent in a lot of things, guys. I really enjoy this music, guys. Wow.
What? That was even long. I don't know. Was that longer? Guys, I need to check. Was that longer? Or was it the same as what Eminem sang? Yeah? Just bear with me. So we had, guys, Rhosy Snap starting from 45, right? Let me see. Yeah, so 45 until 320, okay? So that's 35 seconds, yeah? So Rhosy Snap is rapping that fast, okay? In Rap Monster for 35 seconds. Let's see Eminem. I think it must be the same. Eminem starts at 310, okay? and he goes until, I'm not gonna put it because I don't want to get copyrighted, guys. Until 340. Until 340, okay. So 310 until 340. That's 30 seconds. He's going fast for 30 seconds without taking a breath. And Rhosy's snap goes for 35? Guys, that's what I said? Yeah, it goes a bit longer. Whoa, damn.